How to change region on OKX. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change region on OKX. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your OKX application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. In this home page, you tap on the icon located at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on this icon, you will reach to this page. Here you will need to tap on your profile picture and then it will take you to a user center section. On this section, here you need to tap on this profile tab and under it you'll be able to see country/region option. At the right side, you'll be able to see the currently selected country. Here in mine, currently China is selected. Now you just simply have to tap on it and then inside it you'll be able to see the option update. Go ahead and tap on update and now you can choose a country from here. Tap on this option, choose the country from the list and then tap on this confirm button at the very bottom. Once doing that, here now you will be able to see your newly updated region. So by following the steps, you should be able to change your region on OKX. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.